natural or natural cultural feature which is of outstanding or unique value because of his inherent rarity, representative or aesthetic qualities or cultural significance. 4. Habitat Spaces Management Area 27641 302.3 million. So area of land and or sea subject to active intervention for management purposes so as to ensure the maintenance of habitats and or to meet the requirements of specific species. 5. Protected landscape seascape 655 105.6 million. So area of land which coast and sea as appropriate where the interaction of people and nature over time has produced an area of distinct character with significant aesthetic, ecological, and or cultural value, and often with high biological diversity. Safeguarding the integrity of this traditional interaction is vital to the protection, maintenance, and evolution of such an area. 6. Manage resource protected area. 4123 437.7 million. So area containing predominantly unmodified natural systems managed to ensure long-term protection and maintenance of biological diversity while providing at the same time a sustainable flow of natural products and services to meet the community needs. So, muna siya ang table 5.4 Management Objectives by IUC and Protected Area Category. So, management objective. And then, mauna siya ang katong 6 basic part. 1A, 1B, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, scientific research. Niyahang 1A is 1, 1B is 3, 2 is 2, so 3 is 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3. So, wilderness protection, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. So, ngiyahang 5 is wala. Then, ang 6 kay 2. So, preservation of species and genetic diversity. So, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. So, maintenance of environmental services, 2, 1, 1. Ang iyahang 3 ay wala. Then, 1, 2, 1. Protection of specific natural or cultural features. So, ang iyahang 1A is wala. And 1B kay wa. Then 2, 1, 3, 1, 3. So, tourism and recreation. Iyahang 1A wala. Then, 1B, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3. So, education. Ang 1A kay wala. And ang 1B kay wala. Then, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Sustainable use of resources from natural ecosystems. Wala. Then, 3, 3, wala. 2, 2, 1. Maintenance of cultural or traditional attributes. Ang iyahang 1A, 1B, 2, 3, 4 kay wala. Then, ang iyahang 5 and 6 kay 1, 2. So, mali siya ang 3 primary objective, secondary objective, and potentially applicable objective. Since the establishment of this system, the World Conservation Union has examined the regulations that pertain to every public protected area and has assigned each of them to the category that best matches those regulations. So as a result, it is now much simpler to assess the basic compatibility of ecotourism with any individual protected area. So although in each case specific details are required for management and product development purposes. So this is especially important given that designation is based on the official or de jure status of an area. So rather than the extent to which the regulations are actually enforced, like the de facto situation, the paper park syndrome, for example, is not taken into account. With this provision, the status of ecotourism in each type of designation will now be investigated. So Category 1. Category 1A and 1B areas offer the highest possible level of environmental protection within the IUCN system. So strict prohibitions on human activity and concomitant restriction on the establishment of services or infrastructure mean that such areas are not suitable for soft ecotourism or most other forms of tourism. Allowance is made in strict nature reserves, Category 1A, only for hard ecotourism that involves scientific research or related activities. Groups generally allowed access include volunteer-based nonprofit organizations and university and government researchers. So wilderness areas, like Category 1B, as a secondary management objective, allow access to very small numbers of hard ecotourists and adventure tourists who engage in activities that do not rely on permanent in situ facilities such as bush walking, wildlife observation, and primitive camping. That's all. So the next reporter that will discuss categories 2 and 3 is Leilu Urbano.